Run. He is running in the park. He is running in the park. Eat. She is eating a sandwich. She is eating a sandwich. Drink. They are drinking orange juice. They are drinking orange juice. Write. I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. Read. She is reading a novel. She is reading a novel. Swim. He is swimming in the pool. He is swimming in the pool. Cut. She is cutting the paper with scissors. She is cutting the paper with scissors. Talk. They are talking on the phone. They are talking on the phone. Walk. We are walking to school. We are walking to school. Play. The children are playing soccer. The children are playing soccer.